Want to take professional product photos without a fancy studio? In this video, I'll show you how I shoot high-converting product photos right from home. Whether you're a photographer, a business owner, or just launching an e-store, these tips will help you level up your product photography game. Lighting setup. Lighting is everything. I use a softbox with a daylight bulb or a window with sheer curtains. Directional light from one side creates natural shadows that make products pop. Background and styling. Use neutral backgrounds, white and gray or light wood. Add 1 to 2 props that match your product's vibe, but never distract. Camera settings. I shoot on my Sony a 7 series with a 24 to 105mm lens. Set aperture between f4 and f8 for sharpness. Use a tripod and 2-second timer to avoid shake. That's it. Keep it simple, clean, and consistent, and your photos will do the selling for you. Don't forget to check the description for my gear list and free lighting guide.